Well, hello folks. In this demonstration, I'm going to be showing to you network, and let's get on with it. So let's try to create a new post here. I'm already logged in as a user, so. Oh, if we try to create a new post without any text, it gives us an error message, which is good. So our post has to have some non-white space characters. And you can see there's the text for our new post here. And you can click on all posts. We're already on the all posts page, and every post here has the username, the post content, date and time, number of likes. And now we can go to a profile page. Let's say we can go to admin. And the profile page has the number of followers, number of people that this user is following. Displays all the posts in reverse chronological order, which is good. And also, we can't follow ourselves, but for any other user, let's say Kevin, which we are following, we can unfollow them, which decreases the number of followers, or follow them, which increases the number of followers. And if we unfollow, they're no longer in our following tab. And we can always go ahead and follow them right back again. Follow. That puts them right back in our following tab. Okay. And now if we go to, yes, we already showed you the following link. And this link is only available obviously to users that are signed in. So if I sign off, there's no more following link. Although there is an all posts link, and you can view different people. So let's just log back in. So yes, that was the following page, where it just looks at posts that you're following, of people we're following. And now, yeah, the pagination, if there's more than 10 posts for a page, then we can basically go to next, first, previous, last. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 posts on this page. And on the last page, there's less than 10. And we can also edit posts that are ours. We can't edit posts that are for other users, but we can edit our own posts. So here we are. Let's just edit this post. Edit, edit, save, and there's the edit right there. And you can actually edit multiple posts. So edit, edit, edit. Let's just try editing these two posts at the same time. Save, edit. There it goes. Save, edit. There it goes. Edit. That is the edit functionality, where gives us the ability to edit posts. And we can also like and unlike posts. So like, that adds an extra like. Unlike, that removes the like from this post. So there you go, folks. That's the basic functionality of this website. Thanks a lot.